Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Auxilia Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe's first lady, is today celebrating her birthday. She was born on the 21st of March 1963 in Mazowe, Mashonaland Central. Auxilia is a politician and a philanthropist, serving as the wife of President Emmerson Mnangagwa since November 2017. Looking at her early life and education, she grew up on a farm in Chiwese, where she attended a primary and secondary school. She completed a secretarial course at Silvera House and later graduated with a degree in hotel and tourism administration from a university in Switzerland in 2001. Auxilia also holds a master's in business administration from Midland State University, Zimbabwe. Looking at career and philanthropy, Auxilia joined the Ministry of Manpower and Development in 1981 and later worked in the Prime Minister's office. She's been involved in various philanthropic activities, including establishing Women's Bank and advocating for women's empowerment, education, and health care. Angel of Hope Foundation supports vulnerable communities, focusing on health care, education, and economic empowerment. Finally, looking at awards and recognition, Auxilia has received several honorary doctorates, including one from G.D. Goenka University, India, and another from University of Zimbabwe. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.